Today, gagawin natin yung challenge na Wow! Okay! Challenge! Kasi diba, trending yun ngayon. Ginagawa yun sa mga Facebook post, sa mga YouTube. So, gagawin namin dalawa ni Andre. Let's try. Meron tayong 5 emotions. So, number 1, supportive, disappointed, sarcastic, angry, and crying. Let's try. Si Andre muna yung first, tapos ako yung susunod. Okay, Dre. Supportive. Wow, okay! Wow, okay! Disappointed. Wow, okay. Wow, okay. Sarcastic. Wow, okay. Wow, okay. Angry. Wow, okay. Wow, okay. Crying. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay, yay! That's all. Thank you, Andre, for being such a great sport. Ayan, tapos na. Until our next vlog. Bye!